Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2126 at DoubleTree by Hilton Kuala Lumpur. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that's the floor plan. Right here we have a slot to insert a key card for the room's power, do not disturb and makeup room switches, as well as a couple of light switches. Here we have the entrance to the bathroom, and it does come with a sliding door. Towels, bin, hand wash. The sink is right there. There's a mirror above the sink and lights on either sides of the mirror. Another mirror right there. Here we have power outlets. I believe this is to control the volume for the speaker in the bathroom. And right here we have the switch for the blinds, or blind if you will. So you have more privacy if there's someone else in the room and you are in the bathroom. Okay, so here we have bathroom amenities, glasses, a box of tissues, a hanger, body lotion, bathrobes, hooks, a bath mat down there, and another bath mat right here. And here is the shower itself. It is a dual shower setup, so you have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. And there we have the usual shampoo, shower gel and conditioner. Here's the toilet, telephone, toilet paper. We have towels and a place to hang items on right above. And opposite the bathroom we have the wardrobe area. The wardrobe doors also have mirrors on them. Hello. And here we have hangers, the laundry stuff, ironing board, iron, and storage right above. On this side, we have drawers, in-room safe, in-room slippers, torchlight, and this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have a place to put luggage. There's a weighing scale down there. Here we have the beds. They are fairly comfortable. Climate control panel. And another look at the window into the bathroom. There's actually another mirror right here, hello, with more lights. Opposite the beds opposite the beds is this area with lights behind it and the flat screen LG TV. There are a couple of bottles of water right there. A pillow menu. And here we have the welcome cookie that you get when you check in. This is mine, I haven't eaten it yet, but they gave me this downstairs at the lobby. Below, we have storage, glasses, the kettle, mugs, And right here, all the tea and coffee making stuff. Meanwhile, right here we have the fridge. It is an empty fridge, so you can put your own items in there. And back to the bed area. We have the bedside table in the middle. Since this is a twin bedroom, we only have one bedside table in the middle. And there's the TV remote, in-room telephone, all the various light switches, a power outlet, a light right there, and we have reading lights that you pull out and you can twist them around. And same goes for this side. There's another light strip behind the headboard and artwork right above the headboard. There's a standing light right there, table, sofa, desk chair with the desk area, power outlets, light switch, HDMI port, all the various auxiliary ports to connect to the TV, and we also have an internet port together with the VGA port. We have a QR code right there to use WhatsApp to communicate with the hotel, writing materials. And as for the view, we have all the buildings around the hotel. You can see a road right there. And we can see Intercontinental Kuala Lumpur right there. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2126 at DoubleTree by Hilton Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching and goodbye.